Ugh. The items on this list are so embarrassing.
So what are you going to do?
I don't know. Let's answer questions. Benefits Plus man, how can somebody draw a blank? Questions? What does sheep count when they can't get to sleep? Great question. Sheep are cute, fluffy, adorable animals that we humans count when we can't get to sleep. So obviously, sheep would need to count something equally as cute.
It's you, isn't it?
Maybe. If practice makes perfect, and there's no such thing as perfect, then why practice? What happens if you get scared to death twice? You come back as Charlie Sheen! Why is it that when you're driving and looking for an address, you always turn down the volume on the radio? Because you don't want Casey Kasem to know where you are. You never want Casey Kasem to know where you are. Does anyone really kill two birds with one stone? Who kills birds in the first place? I'm shocked and appalled to think that anyone would harm a sweet, cute little birdie bird. I would never do that. I have my pride, unless they hurt my moneymaker. Ah! Ow, my moneymaker! Ow, my pride! If Jimmy cracks corn, and no one cares, then why is there a song about him? Well, Oh no, not again! Why is it that lemon dish soap is made with real lemons, but lemon juice is artificial flavoring? That's to say, if feathers tickle people, do they tickle birds? I guess they could, but, did they have antiques in the olden days? Well, sometimes why...
Hey, dude, what's wrong?
Well, I'm not sure. I don't know the answers anymore. It's like all my knowledge and intelligence is being drained away without my permission.
Have you been watching Deal or No Deal again?
No! I mean, yes, but this isn't related. I think it might have something to do with that letter I got.
Look, man, you and I have become pretty good friends. You want my advice? Walk away from it all. I've had a bad feeling about this new costume from the start.
No, I have to finish this. I need to follow the instructions on that letter. I need to follow the instructions on that letter. Who kills birds in the first place? I'm shocked and appalled that anyone would consider killing a sweet Bleh.
Bleh, bleh.
All right.
Raymond.
Raymond.